Make a great choice today with the 2017 G80. The Genesis G80 offers a distinct luxury vehicle coupled with great value. Power, technology, and safety are all reasons you're going to want to check out this premium sedan, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rain sensing wipers. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.